Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet Birang. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a hairstyling video, which is my favorite video. I always love doing different hairstyles and I love sharing them with you guys. So today I would be creating this very easy 4 hairstyles which can be done one after the other, and they are pretty connected with each other. Like if you create one hairstyle, from the same hairstyle you can create another one. So that's the fun part about this hairstyle video, and it's definitely my favorite hairstyles, and you can do them anytime guys, for a formal meeting, or if you're running late, if you have to go for some interview, go for some Zoom meeting, anywhere you can just carry these hairstyles. Also, few of the celebrities I have seen, they have wore these hairstyles in the red carpet looks, so I'm really excited to share these hairstyles with you guys. And I don't think so these hairstyles gonna take more than 5 to 10 minutes to create, because they are super easy and super simple to create, and I think any one of you can do that. So yeah, let's just get started and let me share with you guys how I created this 4 easy super quick hairstyles. And those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. First hairstyle, I have already back combed few of the hairs from my crown area and created a very low poof, and then using some bobby pins I have secured it. Now take few hairs from your forehead, start twisting them up, and if you want you can do a middle partition or a side partition. I have done a middle partition, and just start twisting a few section of hairs from your forehead and then clip them using a bobby pin. You can use as many bobby pins as you need, so make sure you secure them nicely, and then follow the same steps on the second side. Just start twisting few hairs from your forehead area and then twisting them up, and then secure them using some bobby pins. Once you're done that, ta-da, that's your hairstyle. Super easy, super quick guys. You can do it anytime. You can do this hairstyle on an Indian wear, you can do this hairstyle on western wear, you can also do this hairstyle when you're running late, going for a college. Super quick, right? Now next hairstyle is related to this one. So what you have to do is grab all your hair, take them back, use a rubber band and make a low ponytail. That's it you guys. Just super quick, right? Just make a ponytail if you're going for some professional meeting or some Zoom meeting or going for an interview. You can do this. Also, this will look good on your Indian outfits and also on the western outfit, so I think you're gonna love it. Now let's move on to our third hairstyle. So I'm gonna be doing a side partition. Keep the partition towards the left side or towards the right side, totally depends upon you. So I'm just gonna be doing a side partition. Make sure your partition is good, but it should not be like a wavy, or it should not be messy, because we're going for a sleek look. So make sure your partition is sleek, and once that is done, comb your hairs nicely, because this hairstyle is gonna be a sleek hairstyle. Now once that is done, I'm gonna be grabbing a rubber band, and then I'm gonna be taking all my hairs to the back, and then using a rubber band I will be making a very low ponytail and securing my hairs using a rubber band. If you see few hairs coming out, you can definitely use as much as many bobby pins to secure your hairs. So I've used like 2-3 bobby pins to secure my hairs, and that's it you guys. This is a super quick another hairstyle which you can definitely do for again any meeting or anything. Fourth hairstyle is again related to the third hairstyle. So what I'm going to be doing is, in the same ponytail I'm going to be start rolling my hairs, like start twisting my hairs, and I'll make a bun. Now your bun should not be messy, so make sure you're making a very sleek bun. So just use a rubber band to make a bun, and just in case few hairs are falling out of your bun, you use shaped pins to secure those hairs and make that sleek bun. And I love doing this hairstyle while wearing a sari. I think it looks super classy in sari. This hairstyle is perfect for your Zoom meetings and perfect for your interviews. I love all these 4 hairstyles. They are super quick, and I think it did not take more than 5 to 10 minutes to create this hairstyle. It's just like boom, you're ready, right? Just take a comb, take few bobby pins, create it, and boom, you're ready. I definitely love all these hairstyles. I hope you guys also love them too, and just in case you guys recreate any of these hairstyles, I will be more than happy to see them. So make sure you guys tag me on your pictures on Instagram so that I can have a look. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video, but make sure you guys follow me on all my other social media handles, which is mentioned down below, and also subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. Your support really motivates me to come up with different type of content, so make sure you guys do that. So I'm gonna catch you guys super soon with a brand new video, but till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.